everybody, welcome back to PinkCraftyWorld. Today I have a unboxing video for you guys, and this unboxing video is a collaboration with the company L-Beats. L-Beats is a company that has a lot of items for crafting at a very exaggerating wonderful price, guys. You can find so many craft items from jewelry, dyes, cabochons, I don't know, so many tools for jewelry, scrapbooking, so many different items that you can find in their website. I invite you to go and visit them and check everything they have, because everything they have, it's amazing. It's so overwhelming, I'm gonna lie, because it's so many beautiful things that of course you wanted to have all of it. Especially if you are a crafter, you will fall in love with so many items that you will get very overwhelmed, but it's awesome. So I have a collaboration with them, and they send me so many wonderful items that I wanted to share with you guys. They also give me a coupon code. I want to leave it here, and also in my description box below I will leave the code, and I will try to leave all the product links that I want to be sharing with you guys today, so you guys can go and check them out. And the coupon code is at 3% on your purchase. It doesn't seem like a lot, but guys, their prices are, you know, very low. So just be aware of that. You guys gonna love it. So let's start. Here is everything they send me. It's a bunch of stuff. So let me start with this, because this is a lot here. I ordered this, and wow, it came like this is so many pieces in here, and this was like so cheap too, but these are these swans, and I wanted to grab like one of each color so you guys can see all the different colors that came in this. So beautiful. I think, yeah, these are all, they are swans. They are like you know, they're gonna start like, you know, flying or something. They look so pretty. So they look like that. And of course, if you don't like the colors they have, you can repaint them. That will be no problem. You can actually repaint them. And these are let me get a pin, because these you can put it like that in pins for your beads, you know, your crafting needs, for beading or anything like that. These are actually beads, and they look so pretty. So here I grab one of these pin needles that I have here, and here I'm showing you how one of the ways how you can use them, so you can see that they just you know, have the hole going down, but they are so beautiful. Excuse my reach, but yeah, so many beautiful colors. And like I mentioned, you know, they are wood, and if you wanted to change the color, you can do that. That's the best thing of getting wood stuff, because you can change their colors. So yeah, that was the first item that I did receive from, or that I'm sharing from L-Beats today. They also send me more items here. This is probably gonna be like a long video, because I have so many items to share. The next one is this cute bear cabochons here. Oh my goodness, also so pretty. And they are in black, in pink, in this mint, white, pink, red, mint, blue, lavender. Look at all these beautiful colors. They are so cute and pretty. So, and in this package they came 50 in this, and this was like so, you know, cheap. The price is like very, you know, amazing there. Then I did get these here are these cute seashells. Look how pretty are the seashells in color pink. So cute. And I did get 10 pieces in this pack. They are all like what you guys can see, and they came all well packaged, guys. Then I did get some flamingos, and the flamingos are like wooden pieces also, but look how pretty they are. Super cute for now, for summer projects. They are also very cute. And I think they came like 20 pieces in here. Yeah, 20 pieces in this pack. I also did get more seashells, but these ones are like in resin, and they are like kind of like see-through resin with glitter on them. Oh, they look so cute. Look how pretty. I have some of these that I did order previously. I don't have not too many of them left in color blue, but they are so cute. Look at this one. And the glitter is like a holographic, and it looks holographic pink, and it looks so stunning. It is very pretty. I also did get 10 piece of these like cookies, and oh, these are so cute. Oops. Okay. They came in different colors, so I was sad they only came one in the light, in the light pink, only one. It came 2 darker pink, 4 yellow, 2 chocolate ones, and 1 lavender. I would have wished that they came more, like at least 2 of each or 3 of each, but it's okay. So, but they are very pretty and great size too. So 10 pieces of those. Then I did get, oh my god, these are so beautiful. These are flower clusters in resin. Look how beautiful they are. They are super pretty. Love these. Very cute in color pink. Love those. I also get 10 pieces of these popsicles, but these popsicles are huge compared to another resin popsicles that I did order before. These are pretty big, and they are like a chocolate inside. Super cute. So very fun for summer projects, definitely. So I did get that. I think I have some of these. I don't know if I have them in the exact same color, or but I think I do have some of these bows, maybe different color, but these ones are super cute. These are like a purple, between purple and fuchsia color. I don't know, so pretty, this resin glitter bows. And it came 20 pieces in these. So pretty. I also did get 20 pieces of lemons, and they are charms. No, cabochons. Lemon cabochons. I can put, you know, a bell in the back and, you know, use them as charms. But look how big and pretty these are. So cute. Very nicely made. So you get those. I did get these, I think are cupcakes, and they are 50 pieces here. Okay, so they look, and I love the kawaii faces on them. Kawaii faces are so cute. Look how pretty. So cute. So I also have these other popsicles. Compared to the other ones, these are tiny. These are the size that I'm used to get them all the time. But these are pink with the heart on them. Oh my god, these are so cute. Look how cute they are. Love those. And they are, you know, they have the bite there. So adorable. So adorable. I also have some of these cat donuts. And these cat donuts are 20 pieces that I ordered, and look how pretty. It's so beautiful. So 20 pieces of the cat donuts. Okay, then I ordered these, and these are super cute. And look how beautiful are these. Are glass, and they have the butterfly, and you know, you can use these to put it in earrings, or to put it in journals, you know, anything you wanted to do with these, you can. Some people use them for magnets. They are so cute. These are very tiny, but they are super gorgeous. So I get a pack of 10 of them here. And then I get these ones, and these are 5 pieces, but they are the oval shape. Oh my god, This is stunning. Also butterflies, and look how pretty this is. Gorgeous. And these are pretty big. See, just gorgeous. They're also glass, you guys hear? So cute. Then I did get these art frame, and it only came 4 of them, 4 pieces. But these picture frames, they're like picture frames. Look how cute, and resin. So they are so pretty, one color of each. Adorable. I have to say they are adorable. So I did get that. And I also did get these sombreros, pamelas, hats, and they came in different colors. Let me grab one color of each. Let's see. Yeah, I think I do have all of them. Yeah. Okay, so look how pretty. And what I love about them is that they have a shimmer on them. Maybe in camera you won't be able to see the shimmer very well, but on person, oh my god, they are so shiny and cute. It's just beautiful. And these are all the colors that it does came. 7 different colors. Yeah, 7. Oops. Yeah, 7 different colors I have here. So beautiful. And I did grab these because I'm thinking on the Maggie Home collection. So I think they gonna be looking very cute for projects with that collection. So these are 20 pieces in here. And then okay, then I did get, these only came 2, and I did order some of these in my bee theme order that I did have from Instagram. But you know what, I already did order these, and you know, it came 2 of these pink bees. These ones are more expensive, so they only send you 2 for the price, and they came in a separate bag, one on each bag, like this. But they are super cute. Those pink bees are adorable. Okay, then I did order some more jewelry pieces. I ordered 2 of these, and I don't know how these are called, but they are so pretty. And you know, these you can put it to make you know, either hair pieces. You can make earrings with these. You know, even for fabric, you can put this into fabric. And look how beautiful are those. You can also make these with your seed beads and tiny beads like that. Look how cute is that. These clusters are, oh gosh, So beautiful with the dangles. If I know they're gonna be like that pretty, but I wasn't sure, you know, when you buy things online, you're not always sure of what are you getting. But when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, I need more. So I'm gonna order me some more because I have some shabby chic projects in mind. So I want to order more of those. Then I ordered these, and these came 9 pieces. For some reason, these are an odd number, but it came 9 pieces of these. And look how cute they are. You see that? How pretty. So cute. So I ordered that. We are almost done, guys. 2 more and that's it. Okay, the next one is this. Look how beautiful is our this cluster here. Look how cute is this. Super pretty. This is how they look in the back, and you know, that's how they are. Love those. So beautiful. So got that. And the last item that I did get from lbeats.com is this one here, and this is my favorite whatsoever. Look at these ones, guys. Look at that one. Oh my goodness, I'm going to repurchase this, yes or yes. It's no discussion about it. You know, it's so gorgeous, so pretty. Oh my God, I'm totally in love with that. So beautiful. The camera doesn't do any justice. I'm telling you guys, it's so pretty, and it's just like a fraction of a price. The price of this is completely ridiculous. So you guys have to go and check LBeats out for all these wonderful products that you can find in their site. You won't regret it. Everything is so beautiful. You know, they send me my items pretty fast, knowing that this came from overseas. I don't know how long it will take when you put your order, but you know, they are pretty good delivering their stuff. So it came on a Sunday, so I was like super happy. So yeah, guys, go and check them out. Again, I will leave the coupon code here, somewhere here. It will appear, my coupon code. Also in the description box below, I will leave the coupon code, all the information, all the links, so you guys can go and check LBeats and purchase their items. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and I hope to see you soon in another haul or crafty video. Bye bye now.